G'day Zoralians, we're out here in the bush. I'm showing you how to set up the new let's get this thing set up, shall we? I didn't know when you were filming it. Step one, the footprint. So we're here in the it's in a rainforest, so it could be quite moist under here, so we're going to put the footprint down first. Yeah, we've got a lot of moisture here. Now we have the main bit of the tent. We're going to lay over the footprint. Step two, the poles. After you've laid your inner tent over the footprint, we get stuck into these bad boys. They act as good nunchucks if any bears come at you. Not a problem in Australia. These are super handy because they just start snapping themselves together. You kind of want to make a big pigeon foot, or kind of like a stick figure with two sets of legs, no head. So you lay your poles out like so. Now we start connecting the inner tent through the eyelets. Come in a bit closer. What we got here is an eyelet. It's starting to resemble somewhat of a tent. A nice arch here that we start to put on our clips. These cross guys obviously go across the tent, and you'll see these little red eyelets here through there over the top of your main arch of the tabernacle. Come across another red eyelet, second one, make sure you go over the top. It's all coming together. Step three, the fly. Goes over the tent. You can slow down a drag car with this thing in your spare time. So underneath the fly we've got some little Velcro numbers. You want to attach them under this last clip. Velcro. It's like a good friend. They stick together. Last step, pegging it all together. Around the corners you'll see the little loop to go through. Get him in there. How good are pegs? We're not going to have any issue here tonight. No. But somewhere windy, you might want to tie the extra guy ropes down to the ground. And we're done. How easy is that? If you get stuck on the inside of the carry bag, there are instructions. I didn't use them because I'm a genius, but there it is, the Highlands 2-person tent set up, first time ever. Thank you.